Hey there, dessert lovers. Today, we're diving into a true classic that's guaranteed to bring smiles, the incredible Texas sheet cake. This recipe is famous for a reason, and I can't wait to show you how simple it is to make. Get ready for a dessert that's as big and bold as Texas itself. First, we'll whip up the cake batter. It starts with cocoa and butter, heated together, then mixed with flour, sugar, and a touch of buttermilk for that signature moistness. Don't forget the eggs and vanilla for richness. This batter comes together so quickly, making it perfect for busy families or beginner bakers. Now for the star of the show, the frosting. While the cake is still warm from the oven, we'll pour a rich, fudgy pecan-studded glaze right over the top. This warm frosting melts slightly into the cake, creating an unbelievably moist and decadent treat. It's pure magic. This sheet cake is perfect for any occasion, from family dinners to big gatherings. It feeds a crowd and always disappears fast. You'll love how easy it is to make and how absolutely delicious it tastes. Give this Texas sheet cake a try. It's a guaranteed winner every single time.